Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from CheckYourDopes.com, YouTube.com/Sen Pete. And today, I just want to show you guys how to use Zoom on a mobile platform. This tutorial should be good for iOS or Android. I'm happening to do it on an iOS device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your App Store or Play or Google Play Store, depending on what platform you're on. So you're just going to click that button. And then I already have it queued up here. But if you don't, you're just going to want to go in your search bar and type Zoom, Zoom. And then from there, should be greeted with one of your first entries. So for here, you can see those almost 500,000 reviews. So it's pretty popular. So this is the correct one. Meet Happy is the company that owns it. So I'm just going to click on that. And then you're going to see the application here. It's going to tell you about it. Definitely going to want to see, something to verify. So having that many reviews or being the #1 business app, those show you that it's the official app pretty much. So it tells you a little bit more about the app. And pretty much, if you guys aren't familiar with it already, how it works is that it's a video conferencing app, very similar to Skype or FaceTime. And pretty much you're going to go into it and it's going to allow you to have groups of people as opposed to just individual people, which you can do groups on FaceTime and Skype, but this is very easy. All you have to do is essentially make a group, make a chat, make a video, start a video. And then from there, you just send out that phone number or group number, and then people can automatically join in. So it's not as secure as some of the other ones, but at the same time, it's much easier to get going. And you can also share your screen, do presentations and whatnot, and it's free. You don't even have to have an account to use it. So it's very simple. So in my case, I already have it downloaded. If not, you would download it. So we're going to go to Zoom and open it. And from here, you're going to hit join a meeting. You don't even have to sign up if you don't want to. So you're going to hit join a meeting, and then you'll type in that meeting ID. So whatever your meeting ID happens to be, I guess it's a 9-digit ID, or it could be longer. I'm just going to type that in. Another thing you could do is you can take it. So somebody sends you the meeting ID, and through the Zoom link, you click on the Zoom link, and it'll automatically take you into the app. Which is another way to get going. And then you're just going to click join, and pretty much it's going to look for the corresponding ID, the corresponding phone number essentially, and then put you right there in that meeting. Then from there, you're going to have some different tools, which I'll show you on this screen here. So if you're actually in the phone call, you're going to be able to screen share, see your different participants in the video, stop your video feed, mute your audio feed. So essentially you can turn it into where they can't hear you or see you, all the way up to where they can see you and hear you like normal video conferencing application. So it just depends on the level of access you want to give. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is my quick overview of how to do it on a mobile platform. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in there. And at least this will help you guys out, especially now that a lot of people are doing this more often with the whole, social distancing and whatnot due to the coronavirus. So if you guys have any questions, please drop them off in the comments. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys in a later video. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys later.